Welcome to our performance review of regulator-ready BLDC fans, an engineering analysis covering benefits, drawbacks, and low-voltage sensitivity. We begin with a technology overview, examining how these fans bridge the gap between traditional induction control and modern BLDC electronics. Regulator-ready drivers work through two steps. First, phase angle detection interprets changes in the AC waveform from the wall regulator as a speed command. Second, the internal switch mode power supply, or SMPS, adjusts the DC voltage to the motor based on this detected phase angle. The primary operational benefits include a drop-in replacement ideal for retrofitting older homes. They offer manual familiarity, eliminating the need for a separate remote. Most importantly, they maintain high efficiency, consuming only around 35 watts. This graph illustrates energy consumption versus speed. Regulator-ready BLDC fans consistently save 55 to 60% energy across all regulator settings compared to traditional PSC motors. Next, we address technical drawbacks, focusing on critical challenges in low-voltage and high-noise environments. The critical voltage threshold, or breakpoint, occurs at 200 volts. Below this, undervoltage instability causes a significant spike in current demand by the SMPS to maintain the DC bus power. A 15% voltage drop leads to a reciprocal increase in current stressing components toward thermal limits. Smooth resistive dimmers cause high total harmonic distortion. The BLDC driver struggles to interpret these erratic signals, leading to humming, vibration, jerky startups, RPM hunting, and a reduced lifespan for electrolytic capacitors. Low-voltage scenarios cause SMPS thermal stress. Switching transistors experience higher losses, and high temperatures degrade capacitor equivalent series resistance, leading to premature driver failure. The added sensing circuit increases the thermal vulnerability of regulator fans. This matrix compares fan types. Regulator-ready BLDC fans offer low energy consumption and standard speed steps, but poor low-voltage performance below 200 volts, in contrast to remote BLDC variants. Our recommendations include using only high-quality capacitor-based step regulators and never smooth resistive dimmers. We also recommend secondary surge protection and terminal voltage checks. If line voltage is consistently below 190 volts, bypassing the regulator for a wide-voltage remote variant is the sounder strategy.